Understanding, I have a few qualms. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might come across in both formal and informal conversations. I have a few qualms. This phrase packs a lot of meaning and emotion, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the English language. So, let's explore what this phrase means, how you can use it, and some examples to clear up any doubts. The word qualms refers to feelings of doubt or uncertainty, especially about whether you are doing the right thing. It can also mean a slight feeling of discomfort or worry. When someone says they have a few qualms, they're essentially saying that they have some hesitations or reservations about a situation, decision, or action. This phrase is quite versatile and can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. Before making a decision, I have a few qualms about signing this contract without reading the fine print. Expressing discomfort, I have a few qualms about this plan. It doesn't seem safe. During a discussion, while I generally agree, I have a few qualms about the execution of this project. In each of these sentences, the speaker is communicating their doubts or concerns about a specific aspect of a situation. It's important to understand the nuance of saying a few qualms rather than just qualms. Adding a few suggests that the speaker has some specific, limited concerns. It's a way of expressing hesitation without completely rejecting or disapproving of something. This can be particularly useful in conversations where you want to convey your concerns diplomatically. If someone tells you they have a few qualms, it's a good opportunity to engage in a constructive dialogue. You can ask questions like, "Can you tell me more about your qualms? What specifically are you concerned about? How can we address your qualms?" By doing this, you show that you value their opinion and are open to finding solutions together. Understanding and using the phrase, "I have a few qualms," can add depth to your conversations in English. It allows you to express doubt or concern in a nuanced and specific way, fostering clearer communication and mutual understanding. We hope this video has cleared up any qualms you might have had about using this phrase. Remember, learning these subtle aspects of language can really enrich your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.